Quite long but magical day trip to Neuschwanstein Castle and Lackfall and Füssen. Hello! Medyo mahaba talaga yung biyahe natin for today, more or less 4 hours. That's why we decided to catch the 6:20 AM connection from our local bus stop to Ingolstadt Hauptbahnhof to Munich to Füssen. Paglabas mo ng Füssen Bahnhof, andun na rin agad yung bus stop going to Schwangau. Pagdating namin sa foot ng mountain, we decided to hike all the way up to the castle. Maraming routes, pero we just guessed which one. In short, follow the crowd. If gusto mong skip yung 30 to 40 minute hike, may bus papuntang Marienbrücke for 2.5 euros and meron ding horse ride for like 8 euros each. On our way up, syempre as no exercise girlies, hingal na hingal kami girl, as in we stop every few steps kasi ang sakit sa calves. Buti na lang may mga cute giant horses na nag-entertain sa amin on the way. Pero guys, nung palapit na kami sa castle, sobrang surreal talaga, grabe. Like, I'm finally here. Last year ko pa kasi to gusto puntahan, kaso lagi kong pinopostpone. Sabi winter break na or summer break na, tapos nung summer 2 months yung break namin guys, di ko pa rin siya napuntahan because I was super lazy. Kaya when it crossed my mind again, literally the day before we went, I decided to go na. Like, go, no more excuses. Walang specific season for this place, and look at that, so magical pa rin, and the weather was so beautiful that day. Thank you so much, Lord. By the way, may free toilet pala pagdating mo sa tuktok, so no worries if naihi ka or something. After enjoying the view and taking photos and videos around the castle area, we decided to go to Marienbrücke. And on the way there, my viewing or photo spot din before the bridge where you can see the Alpsee and Hohenschwangau Castle from above. And syempre, another beautiful angle of the Neuschwanstein Castle. And then finally, we reached the bridge, the Marienbrücke, the legendary iconic postcard view. Look at that, guys. Kulang na lang, shining, shimmering, and splendid na talaga tong lugar na to, guys. Sobrang gandang-ganda ako dito dati. Tinitingnan ko lang sa pictures and now I'm actually standing right in front of it. Thank you so much, Lord. As in, we enjoyed the view for a while kasi ganun naman talaga dapat, diba? And crossed the bridge, then hiked even further up sa super steep na trail na walang handle just to see a higher viewpoint. Nakakatakot siya but worth it for the view. Like, konting tiis lang naman, guys. And kung di namin to pinuntahan, baka pagsisihan pa namin, diba? It was actually scary, guys. You just have to be very careful in every step that you take. And the view is sounding like everything that I have, praise the Lord. Sobrang liit lang ng space ng viewpoint na yun, guys. Kaya hindi na kami nagtagal doon at bumaba na kami and nag-cross ulit kami ng bridge. And instead of going down the same way, we took a different path papuntang Alpsee. Plano pa sana namin umakyat sa Hohenschwangau, but girl, di na kaya ng tuhod, my God. So we looked for a bench na lang in front of the Alpsee of the lake and had our lunch around 1 PM. Isa pa tong lake na to, guys. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linis. Kung sa Pinas pa to, may basura na to. Pero ayan, oh, sobrang clear ng water. Diba sabi nila kung you're down, go touch some grass. I want to touch some water, guys. Some clear water. To make the trip even more worth it, kasi andito naman na kami. And it's early pa naman, so we decided to stop by Füssen. So we took the same bus from the Neuschwanstein Castle stop to Pulverturm Füssen Haltestelle. Then we walked around 18 minutes around the Altstadt going to Lackfall. Pero syempre di accurate yan, guys, kasi we enjoyed the medieval vibes of old city. Pagdating sa Lackfall, wala na akong ibang masabi kundi sobrang ganda and relaxing. Yung tunog ng waters parang lullaby, guys, na para bang papunta na kami sa deep sleep mode. Again, sobrang ganda in person, guys. Nakikita ko lang din to sa videos dati. And I can only imagine what it looks like pag winter, covered in snow. Gusto ko siya balikan next year or maybe December. After enjoying the view and the sounds, we crossed the bridge and hike a bit to see what's across. And nalaman namin na may way pala pabalik ng Altstadt or Bahnhof. Pero bumalik muna kami sa falls kasi wait, wala pa pala kaming pictures. Grabe, guys, sobrang nakakapagod tong araw na to. Pero ito naman talaga yung pagod na gusto natin, diba? Yes po. Super thankful ako kay God for this day that I get to move and enjoy nature for free. And that ends our